Are you tired of waiting years for your garden to look like the ones in magazines? What if I told you there are perennials that grow so fast, they'll fill your garden with color and life in just one season? These aren't your grandma's slow-growing roses. Today, I'm revealing 10 fast-growing perennials that will explode with growth and bloom like crazy. Perfect for impatient gardeners who want big results fast. Stick around to the end for a bonus tip that'll double your growth speed without spending a dime. 1. Catmint nepeta is a fantastic fast-growing perennial that brings both beauty and resilience to any garden. Known for its soft, aromatic foliage and clouds of purple-blue flowers, catmint establishes quickly and spreads with ease. Filling in bare spots in record time, it thrives in full sun, tolerates poor soil, and once established, is highly drought-resistant, making it perfect for low-maintenance landscapes. Plus, it blooms profusely from late spring through summer, often reblooming if trimmed back. As an added bonus, catmint attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, while its scent naturally repels pests like mosquitoes and deer. Whether used as a border, ground cover, or accent plant, catmint delivers rapid results and long-lasting charm. 2. Russian sage is a top-tier, fast-growing perennial that adds height, texture, and a burst of silvery blue color to any garden. With its airy, lavender-like blooms and finely cut silvery foliage, it creates a soft, elegant look while growing rapidly once established. This plant is incredibly tough. It thrives in full sun, handles poor or dry soil with ease, and is both deer and drought-resistant. Its long blooming season, from midsummer into fall, ensures months of color just when many other plants are fading. Russian sage also attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, making it not only beautiful but beneficial for your garden's ecosystem. It's a low-maintenance powerhouse that fills space quickly and delivers big visual impact. 3. Coreopsis, commonly known as tickseed, is a vibrant and fast-growing perennial that brings cheerful, long-lasting color to any garden. With its daisy-like blooms in sunny yellows, warm oranges, and even pinks and reds, Coreopsis quickly fills garden beds and borders with a profusion of flowers from early summer to fall. It's incredibly easy to grow, tolerating poor soil, drought, and full sun without complaint. This plant spreads quickly but remains manageable, making it ideal for quickly covering bare spots or creating a cohesive look in a new garden. Coreopsis also attracts butterflies and other pollinators, adding life and movement to your landscape. Its low-maintenance nature and reliable blooms make it a go-to choice for gardeners who want fast, fuss-free results. 4. Black-eyed Susan, Rudbeckia, is a standout fast-growing perennial that brings bold, golden yellow color and a cheerful vibe to any garden. Known for its iconic dark centers and daisy-like petals, this hardy plant grows quickly from seed or transplant and begins blooming in its first year. It thrives in full sun, tolerates a wide range of soils, and is impressively drought-resistant once established. Black-eyed Susans also self-seed easily, helping them naturalize and spread year after year with minimal effort. Their long bloom season, from midsummer into fall, keeps gardens vibrant when many other plants are fading. Plus, they attract butterflies and pollinators while resisting deer and rabbits, making them as practical as they are pretty. 5. Salvia is a fast-growing perennial that brings vibrant color, fragrance, and pollinator power to your garden with minimal effort. Bursting with spikes of purple, blue, pink, or red blooms, Salvia quickly establishes itself and begins blooming in early summer, often continuing well into fall, especially with regular deadheading. It thrives in full sun, tolerates heat and drought, and requires very little maintenance once it's settled in. Not only does it fill garden beds quickly, but it's also a magnet for bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, adding movement and life to your landscape. With its bold vertical form and non-stop blooms, Salvia is a must-have for gardeners who want fast, colorful results without the fuss. 6. Yarrow is a fast-growing perennial that combines rugged toughness with delicate beauty, making it an excellent choice for gardeners who want quick results and long-lasting impact. Its flat-topped clusters of flowers come in a wide range of colors, yellow, pink, red, and white, and bloom from early summer well into fall. Yarrow spreads rapidly by rhizomes, quickly filling in garden beds and borders with its feathery, fern-like foliage and abundant blooms. It thrives in full sun, tolerates poor, dry soil, and is both drought and deer-resistant, making it perfect for low-maintenance landscapes. Yarrow also attracts butterflies and beneficial insects, adding to its value as both an ornamental and ecological powerhouse in any garden. 7. Bee balm monarda is a fast-growing perennial that brings bold color, height, and wildlife-friendly charm to any garden. Known for its striking, firework-shaped blooms in shades of red, pink, purple, and white, bee balm quickly establishes and spreads through underground rhizomes, creating lush, full garden beds in just one season. It thrives in full sun to partial shade and prefers moist, well-drained soil, but it's surprisingly adaptable once established. Bee balm is a magnet for hummingbirds, bees, and butterflies, making it a favorite for pollinator gardens. Its fragrant foliage, which smells like mint, also helps deter deer and rabbits. With its rapid growth, vivid blooms, and ecological benefits, bee balm is a showy and rewarding perennial for gardeners who want quick, colorful results. 8. Daylilies are a fantastic, fast-growing perennial that offer vibrant color, incredible hardiness, and virtually effortless care. With their strappy green foliage and trumpet-shaped blooms in shades ranging from sunny yellows to deep reds and purples, daylilies quickly form large, lush clumps that spread year after year. They thrive in full sun to partial shade, adapt to a wide range of soils, and are highly drought and pest tolerant once established. While each individual bloom lasts just one day, hence the name, each plant produces dozens, even hundreds of flowers over a long summer season. Perfect for filling in garden beds, borders, or slopes, daylilies grow fast, bloom reliably, and ask for almost nothing in return, making them an ideal choice for gardeners of all skill levels. 9. Coneflower, Echinacea, is a fast-growing perennial that combines striking beauty with impressive resilience, making it a favorite for gardeners who want quick and lasting impact. Known for its bold, daisy-like blooms with prominent central cones, Echinacea bursts into color in its first season and continues blooming from summer into fall. It thrives in full sun, tolerates drought and poor soil, and requires very little maintenance once established. Coneflowers also attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, while their seed heads provide food for birds in winter and add architectural interest to the garden. With their rapid growth, long bloom time, and tough nature, coneflowers are a standout choice for creating a vibrant, wildlife-friendly garden in no time. 10. Lamb's ear is a fast-growing perennial prized for its unique texture, silvery color, and ability to quickly cover ground. Its soft, velvety leaves form dense mats that spread rapidly, making it an ideal ground cover for filling in bare spots and edging borders. Thriving in full sun and well-drained soil, lamb's ear is incredibly drought-tolerant and low maintenance, making it perfect for gardeners seeking beauty with minimal effort. While it occasionally sends up tall spikes of purple-pink flowers, it's the silvery foliage that steals the show, adding contrast and softness to any planting scheme. Resistant to deer and rabbits, and tough enough to handle poor soil, lamb's ear is a standout choice for fast, fuss-free coverage with year-round visual appeal. Fast growth, bold color, low effort. These perennials are the shortcut to a full, vibrant garden without waiting years. Now here is that bonus tip. Want to speed things up even more? Add a layer of compost around your plants in early spring. It feeds the soil naturally and gives your perennials the boost they need to grow twice as fast. Smash that like button if you love a fast-growing garden, and subscribe for more plant-powered tips every week. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 25 perennials that bloom all summer long with stunning flowers.